This right here is a little mini washer spinner that I just purchased today. Came in Amazon. I'm plugging it up. I have it on drain right now. I'm going to turn it on standard. I have the timer on 0. I don't have any clothes in here because I've tried to wash clothes in there and it did not work. So I washed them out on hand here, and since I've washed them out on hand, I've now transferred the 2 items that I've washed on hand in the spinner here just to see. I'm turning the knob on. And I hear just like a crackling. There's nothing else happening. It's just crackling. Just crackling. But the nozzle is moving. But there's nothing spinning. I don't know what's going on. I've read the directions. I've done everything that I needed to do. I turn that on. That don't come on. It's just clicking.
That will almost.
Not moving, not doing anything. Still. Not moving. Not doing anything. I don't know.